The H2GP Sprint program is all about making renewable energy lessons fun. But with our 10-lesson curriculum, it also becomes an all-in-one resource for teaching students about hydrogen fuel cells, the basics of engineering, and data collection. The curriculum we developed for the Sprint program starts by introducing your students to the basics of hydrogen and hydrogen fuel cells. They'll learn how hydrogen is produced through electrolysis. Students will then use that knowledge to produce their own hydrogen, something most adults have never even done, and assemble a hydrogen fuel cell vehicle, giving them hands-on experience with the basic engineering principles behind electric cars and hydrogen as a renewable energy source. If that's not enough, our extension activity takes Sprint one step further by introducing your students to the basics of data collection and design iteration. With our practice track and basic timer, students can collect time and distance data, use it to calculate the velocity and acceleration of their Sprint cars, and discover why some cars are faster than others. They can then modify the design of their car by selecting a variable to adjust, before going back to the racetrack to record new data and see how their modifications affect the performance of their car. If that's still not enough, you can encourage your students to really think outside the box by designing a sprint car of their own entirely from scratch, using 3D printing to create new parts and become fully fledged product designers. And if they come up with something cool enough, who knows? Maybe they can replace our product designer. What?